TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials down 66. You get the NASDAQ off 14. S&Ps are down 7.5. Gold contracts down $8.60 at $1,348 an ounce. We have silver down 24 cents, $19.62 an ounce. Platinum's off 11 bucks, $11.06 an ounce. You got copper down 2 pennies, $2.16 a pound. Light sweet crude down 41 cents, $46. 17 cents a barrel now. Oil numbers, folks, coming out at 10:30 today. Oil has come up to ice. That's where resistance is, 46 to 47. We'll see where it shakes out. But it looks to me like oil's going to give it up right where we are. Bonds. 10-year note up 1 tick, 132.01. 30-year bond up 15 ticks, 171.19. 2 o'clock today, the Fed numbers come out. The Fed meeting, the minutes come out from their last Fed meeting. Now, the notes and the bonds, folks, were going into their swing low yesterday with monster volume. It looks like this is the first time that I've actually seen a setup on ABC down in quite some time, more than a year. So we'll see at 2 o'clock if, in fact, these bonds want to do an ABC structure on the way down. If that's the case, there's going to be something inside that minutes from the last meeting that's saying that the Fed is going to try to basically jam these rates, whether it's a quarter point higher, before the end of the year. King dollar. King dollar is up 161 ticks, $94.92. You get the euro trading at $1.12, and the yen is out here at 100.47. If we go take a look at the S&Ps, what you have is this. Yesterday, what you had, the only expansion of volume on the way down was in the NASDAQ composite, folks. That being said, guess what? This morning, they're all expanding with volume. We're talking only about a half hour into the trading day. So bottom line, what I expect you are going to see is that you're going to see an expansion of volume out here today. We're going to see lower price. Bottom line, will the SPY get back inside $217.27? Right now, you're on $217.37. You get back inside there, that sets up a lower price point, about $214, and then we'll go from there. The NDX 100, bottom line, looks like the NDX 100 and the NASDAQ composite are going to lead the baby lower. The Qs right now failed yesterday. We're at 116.65 right now. The Qs are on their way down to the 115 to 114 level. Gold contract, what we have with gold, gold gave it up in spades yesterday in a very large way when Dudley came out at 8:30 in the morning saying that September is game for a live meeting in the Fed. You get a sideways move out here in gold today. I don't expect gold to move until at 2 p.m. numbers, minutes come out from the Fed. The high today in gold is 1353. The low out here is 1345. Bonds are the number. Keep your eye on these notes and the bonds, folks, because what we did out here is this. You came in, and you came in hard in the note market. We did 1.4 million contracts as we hit the 131.28. Now, this morning, we got below that, and at this point, you really can't tell whether we're going to have heavier volume or lighter volume. But the number to keep your eye on is the $131.19. That's the number. If we go look at the 30-year, same type of setup inside the 30-year. 30-year came down hard. This morning, you got underneath it. Bottom line, though, the volume still looks like it's going to be pretty heavy. So the number in the 30-year that you're going to keep your eye on is 169.31. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar, once again, is rejecting lower price. We'll see whether it can get in the larger range. Right now, you're only up 121 ticks. That's nothing. King dollar has to get inside, let's see, we got to get inside the 95.31 in order to get up into a higher price. The volatility is it's all going to be all about 10:30 this morning for the oil market, which will affect the S&Ps. 2 o'clock, which is going to affect the whole market because those Fed minutes, the way the market is trading right now, it looks like, bottom line, we're going to have lower prices coming at us. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give a call at 855-750-4058 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.